A giant foundation for breakfast? Big eyeshadow for lunch? And a huge blush for dessert? This is not a beauty diet. These are our new sweets that look like giant makeup. Redhead is getting ready for a party. It's her friend's birthday. Redhead prepared a new lipstick as a birthday gift. Here comes the birthday girl. She will be so happy. Surprise! But Jessica expected to get a more remarkable present. Well, we will quickly fix this little lipstick misunderstanding. Beat 6 eggs, 10 ounces of sugar, and half a teaspoon of vanillin. Add half a teaspoon of baking soda and put in 10 ounces of flour. Mix the dough. Pour it into a cylinder mold covered with foil. Bake it for 1 hour at 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Wrap paper with a layer of acetate film to make a wide tube. Tape to fasten. Color melted confectionery glaze with green food coloring and spread it over the film evenly. Let it harden. Cover 6 packs of colored jelly and 1 ounce of gelatin with hot water. Mix it and pour it into the cylinder vase. Add a glass of warm milk so that the lipstick won't be see-through. Cover the sponge base of the tube with green glaze. Spread it out evenly on all sides. Put the glaze maxi tube onto the base. Put the jelly lipstick inside. Let the glaze harden on the base. Cover the lipstick with a cap made from acetate film. Add a label to the cap. A bit of magic and the lipstick grows right in front of their eyes. Now this is a truly remarkable present. This is more than just a lipstick. This is an actual birthday cake. This giant lipstick is delicious no matter where you bite it. Now that's a real surprise for a beautiful birthday. I wonder why Jessica is doing her victory dance on the grass. The answer is simple. She just came up with the most delicious blush in the world. There is an actual blush cheesecake in her hands. Cut 2 circles out of black paper to be the same shape as a cake coaster. Take a 1-inch wide strip of cardboard and cover it with foil. Attach it to a black strip of paper, which is 1 3/4 inches wide. Cover the allowance with double-sided tape and make cuts at equal distances. Attach it to the cake coaster so that you get a border. Make a cap with a narrower border. Cut the cap and the box and fasten a strip of black paper along the cut. Cover the top and the bottom with black circles. Add a makeup brand logo to the cap using white paint. We will need to crumble 10 ounces of cookies. Pour in 3½ ounces of melted butter. Mix it and spread the mass over the bottom and the border of the mold. Refrigerate it for 20 minutes. Add 10 ounces of powdered sugar to 13 fluid ounces of milk. Add some vanillin. Dissolve 2 ounces of gelatin powder according to the instructions on the package and pour it in. Mix it. Pour the mixture into 35 ounces of cream cheese. Mix it. Add raspberry topping or jam and a few drops of food coloring. Pour the cream onto the cookie base. Refrigerate the cheesecake for a few hours. We don't need a brush. A spoon will be a better fit for our blush. Feel free to take some cheesecake and eat it. We love this dessert so much, and our cheeks will go pink from how happy we are. No makeup necessary. Let's check out the latest news in the beauty industry. What are eyebrows telling us this season? These are way too bushy, these are way too thick, and these brows look like caterpillars. Redhead quickly produces a new idea. Eyebrow shadow is a new trendy makeup product. Add 10 ounces of sugar to 6 eggs. Beat it while gradually adding food color. Put 10 ounces of flour into the pink mixture and add a teaspoon of vanillin. Mix it. Put it on a baking tray covered with parchment paper and spread the mixture evenly. Bake it for 30 minutes at 360 degrees. Cut the cake crust to be the same size as a lunchbox when it's ready. Cut out a hollow inside to be the shape of an eyebrow. Warm up some Nutella and pour the liquid chocolate spread into the hollow. Spread it out to make an even layer. Print out a label and attach it to the lid. Our eyebrow shadow is as big as the trendy brows. Plus, it's very delicious. We combine two trends, fashionable brows and tasty sweets. Redhead is doing her hair. Her hairspray is actually a yummy treat. Add 17 fluid ounces of water to 5 ounces of sugar. Mix it so that the sugar dissolves completely. Pour hot water over a lemon. Cut off 1/3 of it and squeeze the juice into the syrup. Pour the solution into a spray bottle. Attach a hairspray label. This sugar spray can do more than set your hair. It will also make your hair smell like citrus. Jessica wants a trendy hairdo too. She needs some hair products right now, but regular hair products can't cope with her curls. A giant hairspray is exactly what she needs. Hot glue a cap from a big bottle of soda inside a big school supply cup. Close the cap along with the cup. This will be the hairspray cap. Mark the border of the cup on the bottle and cover the bottle above the line with black acrylic paint. Print out a hairspray label and attach it to the remaining part of the bottle. Jessica has never seen a hairspray without a sprayer. Am I supposed to just pour it straight onto my head? But Redhead explains how to use it. This hairspray is drinkable because there's a sweet soda inside. A brilliant idea pops into Redhead's head. She came up with something hugely beautiful. It's a giant foundation. Coat a big jar with beige enamel. Attach a label with a logo. Put the lid from the big jar onto a black jar of a suitable size. Hot glue the black lid to it. Decorate the maxi cap you get with gold paper. Attach a silicone spatula to it to be an applicator. Whip 33 fluid ounces of confectionery cream until it becomes thick. Add 7 ounces of Nutella and mix it one more time. Put the cream into the jar. Our foundation is pretty big. It almost doesn't fit into the shot. But the best part is inside. Let's start filming our review. We open the tube of foundation. Redhead will amaze all her subscribers right now. She's eating foundation straight from the brush. The things bloggers do just to get likes. They didn't even get enough likes with this content. The girls need something else. Jessica is applying the foundation cream straight onto her face, and Redhead came up with a new product already. It's a sweet beauty blender. Mix 6 eggs, 12 ounces of sugar, and some vanillin. Keep mixing it and add 12 ounces of melted butter gradually. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1½ teaspoons of baking powder to 12 ounces of flour. Mix it and add it to the liquid mixture gradually. Color the dough with purple food coloring and pour it into a mold covered with butter. Bake it for 1 hour at 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Cut the muffin to be the same shape as a beauty blender when it's ready. A true beauty blogger has to sample every new makeup product. I mean it! Jessica bites off a piece of the makeup sponge. Jessica has such a sweet face. Let's check out the reaction of our subscribers. We still only have 2 likes from Mom and Granny. The girls are waiting to be popular. And waiting, and waiting. They got so bored that they started eating their own inventions. Finally, victory! the phone starts blowing up with notifications of likes, and it means that it's time for new ideas. Did you like our sweet beauty trends? Then write in the comments which beauty treat you would like to cook. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new sweet beauty ideas on Troom.